Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use HubSpot for lead generation. So let's get right into it. Now, leads are basically contacts which there is a chance of making a deal in the future with, or a chance of doing business with in the future. Now, you can get them by doing marketing schemes or marketing campaigns, as well as newsletters, etc. And I'm going to show you guys how you can do it in a couple of different ways. Now, you can go into the marketing tab and go into campaigns, set up campaigns, and that will generate leads for you over a set amount of time, depending on how you set up your campaign. You can create emails, as I mentioned, as newsletters to send to your contacts, and you can get contacts by actually making forms which people will fill out to give you their contact information to then be able to be contacted by you so that you can select them as a lead. Once they fill out the form, they will become a lead technically, and then the rest of that is just converting them into a customer or a client. You can also do ads and events to expand or market your business better, and people might be interested in doing business with you there. Now, as I mentioned, I'll show you how to do the email. So just go to the email tab, click create a new email in the top right. You can create a blog or regular email. I'll select a regular one. You can make an automated one if you have a premium plan. I don't. Then I like to go for newsletters. Click choose template next to the template you want. Then edit your template however you would like as well. As you can see here, this is what the template looks like. You can add any design choices or blocks or elements you would like. You can also rename it here at the top. So I'll just name it test, just like so. Then you need to go into your settings and add any other settings you might need, such as the subject line, the internal email name, which is this one at the top, preview text if you want it. The language is optional, but you can set it to default English. You can add the subscription type, which you do need, and as you can see, marketing information is the only one available for me. You can add subscriptions if you want to, I won't. And you do need to add an office location just for internal revisions sake, or for legal reasons, in other words. Once you're done with that, you're also required to add recipients. So just select which recipients you want to send it to, which ones you don't want to send it to, and you can click this to not send it to unengaged contacts. Select whether you want to send it now or schedule it for a later date. And that is basically it. Once you're done with that, review and send. And that is how you do that, and that should generate leads. Once you send your newsletters, it should convert some of them into leads. And that is basically it. Once you're done with that, just go to your CRM, into contacts and companies, add those leads that you want, create a ticket for them and for deals as well, and you can review your leads here in the prospecting tab. However, you do need a premium plan for that, and that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.